Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player Fall Guys. Teaming up with a friend in Fall Guys is a fantastic way to experience the game's chaotic fun. The Duos mode allows you and one partner to compete as a unified team, navigating through various obstacle courses and minigames. Your main objective is to work together, helping each other qualify through each round and ultimately striving for that coveted crown as a pair. It's all about cooperation and shared victories. Getting started with your duo partner is straightforward. Once you've launched Fall Guys, head to the main menu. From there, you'll want to select the party option, which allows you to invite a friend to join your game lobby. After your friend has successfully joined, simply choose the duo's show from the list of available game modes. This ensures you'll be matched with other two-player teams, ready for some cooperative action. To truly excel as a duo, effective teamwork is paramount. Always communicate with your partner, letting them know your plans or if you need assistance. In certain rounds, you can even grab your friend to help them over obstacles or push them towards the finish line. Remember, your success is intertwined. If one of you fails to qualify, the run ends for both. Prioritize helping each other to ensure both of you advance. Reaching the final round as a duo is an exciting achievement. In these climactic moments, your combined efforts are crucial. Depending on the final game, you might need to coordinate a strategy, such as one player creating a distraction while the other goes for the win. Sometimes, a selfless act from one partner can secure the crown for the other. When that victory screen appears, celebrate your shared triumph. It's a fantastic feeling to win as a team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.